My name is Kevin. I'm responsible at Intertek Shanghai for all the French clients, biggest distributors in Europe. I've been following the Leautus project since July 2015, and during that time we've been basically building protocols from scratch. I mean by that this device is, as a water filtration portable device, quite above the legal requirement on the European market right now. It means there is no legal requirement for that very type of item. We had to create our own testing protocols because it goes way higher in terms of filtration. We've been building with our chemical lab here in Shanghai protocols for bacteria, heavy metals, antibiotics, and pesticides.
I'm the technical manager of Intertek lab, and our lab is accredited by according to ISO 17025. And my project is to provide testing service, self-testing for the body part. We test every materials and make sure the the migration test is passed and pass the European regulations and the DGCCIF standard. Also test the filter column, but during the from 2015 and to 2016, we tested 4 times for the column because we found little problems for the arsenic. But after improved producing technology, our client have finally solved the problem and passed the test for this filter columns. VOC's reduction and lead reduction, and also including 7 heavy metals reduction. Today we also performed antibiotic reduction tests.
Products so far have been successfully passing all those tests, and on top of the chemical analysis, we've been working with our colleagues in Guangzhou to test the product physically. It means performance about the pump, performance about the actual filtration device, how many times we can use it, to make sure the product can be sold on the market safely. My job has been to monitor and coordinate the activities of the different labs for Intertek Group, whether it's in France for the regulations, Shanghai for the chemical, or Guangzhou for the physical parts. Intertek is a company that is present in over 100 countries. We have over 42,000 employees, and in the top 3 leading testing companies in the world. We are accredited in absolutely every country to perform that kind of test. Through the test we've been performing, we have came to one conclusion. Most French distributors that we are working with are currently asking us to develop some benchmark of the master sellers on the market, products that are already available, because they need to know their testing capability, like what do they actually filter. So we've been benchmarking all those devices, like the market leaders, as well as we included Leautus in that research.